what I did was, these cups have SeaFoam in them, and these ones have Marvel Mystery Oil. SeaFoam and Marvel Mystery Oil claim that they lift off all of the carbon deposits on your valves and stuff. These have been soaking for a week. So if I take out an MMO one, that's an exhaust valve. And it did not take off any of that. So that's going to need mechanical removal. See that?
I see it.
So we'll grab the corresponding intake valve. And that has the exact same amount of built up carbon and stuff. So that's what Marvel Mystery Oil did. Almost nothing. Then
SeaFoam.
SeaFoam one. And SeaFoam. And see, I'm even giving this stuff a fighting chance by wiping it with rags. And yep, the exhaust valve has exactly the same amount of garbage built up on it. But maybe it'll do better with the intake valves. Oh yeah, a whole bunch of brown, grey, black muck coming. See it? See how built up it is?
Oh yeah. That's like crispy.
Well, you know what? It's coming off, but I feel that the amount of coming off it's doing is probably what it would have done if I had just wiped it with a rag. Hang on.
I thought you were going to get out a wire wheel.
No, they're at home.
Wire brush is the next best thing. That's going to take a lot of soaking and a lot of scrubbing.
Well, I was just curious if it would actually do anything, and the answer is you're better off just putting a wire wheel on it. You're better off scraping it and then hitting it with the wire wheel and then lapping it back in. There you go, now you know. So I've been spending the day, by the way, actually, it's all kind of rainy out there, so I've been spending the day cleaning stuff. So this is one of the push rods I've just finished cleaning, and this is what they looked like when they came out of the engine. I also had a bit of a go at scraping all of the garbage off the valves, and then I'm going to hit them with a wire wheel. And these exhaust valves, they have that same stuff in it that looked like burnt on chewing gum, and that did not come off with a razor blade, so this is all going to be wire wheeled, and then we'll go from there. Also, don't you love my super professional valve holder? Perfect.